Hi, I am Queen Verlian P. Soriano from BSED 2B, and this is my reflection for Module 9, 10, and 11. So for Module 9, it is about learners with emotional and behavioral disorder. Module 10 is about communication disorder, and Module 11 is the ADHD, or Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. So, for my reflection for the three modules, that first, they have their own definition that we should consider and we should acknowledge, and hindi dapat tayo nagkakaroon ng stereotypical sa pagtawag sa kanila. We need to know their medical terms so we can assess them or we can treat them the way they deserve. And the next one is the effect or causes of their disorder, because dito nag-start or dito nagmumula kung saan nga ba nanggaling yung ganong disorder na, and in that way magkakaroon din tayo ng understanding and hindi tayo magkakaroon ng agad-agad na judgment, and also makaka-apekto din ito sa kung paano natin sila itatrato or makikipag-communicate or kung paano tayo makikipag-interact sa kanila. And lastly is yung approach sa kanila. So there are different approaches that we should do in different disorder, because some of them can place in normal environment and some of them needs special environment that can accommodate their special needs. By knowing all this information, as a teacher or as a future teacher, we can be an effective teacher, so we can handle the diversity of our students, whether they have problem in communication, attention, or emotional. Because assessing the students according to their behavior and responding to their needs is an important part of being a teacher. And that's all for my reflection video for Module 9, 10, and 11. Thank you for watching.